Today we will see session 14 leader. Leader command in AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, the leader command is used to create leader lines with annotation. Leader lines are often used to point the specific object or areas in the drawing and provide explanatory text or labels. Here's how to use the leader command. Access the command. You can access the leader command in several ways. Ribbon. Go to the annotate tab in the ribbon and you will find the leader command in the leaders panel. Keyboard shortcut. You can also type leader in the command line and press enter. Specify the leader landing point. Click on the point where you want to leader arrowhead to point. If you want the leader to be attached to an object, click on that object. Specify the next text location. After specifying the landing point, you will be prompted to specify the location of the text. Click where you want the text to appear. Enter the text. The text editor will open, allowing you to enter the text you want to associate with the leader line. Adjust the leader line and text format. Optional. You can adjust the leader and angle of the leader line by moving its grip. You can also format the text using the text editor option, such as changing font size and style. Complete the leader. Once you are satisfied with the leader and text placement, press enter to finish creating the leader. Repeat it if needed. If you need to create additional leaders, simply repeat the process. Remember that AutoCAD offers various options for customizing leader styles, arrowheads, and contents placement. You can access the option by right-clicking on the leader and selecting Edit Leader, or by using the Leader Settings command to specify leader setting globally. Additionally, the exact steps and option may vary depending on version of AutoCAD you are using. Always refer to software's documentation or help resource for specific details related to your version. So now we will see leader in AutoCAD. If I draw a rectangle, and draw circle, I can use leader. I go in annotation tab, go over here, leader. There are different leaders: leader, add leader, remove leader, align leader, collect. So first is leader. Go on the circle and specify. Now write the text. Rectangular plate with two holes. Enter. Option. Okay. This is how leader can be given. Now I can give numbers also, like going to leader, select leader, select circle. I can give number 1. This is how leader can be given. I can also add leader how leaders can be added. I can also remove leader. Press enter after removing. Align leader. Can align leader.
साइन खालीच करायचे ना आणि कुठल्या ह्याच्यावर करायचे झेरॉक्स वरती झेरॉक्स
This is how align leader and collect leaders are drawn. Align. We can add or remove leaders using this leader tab.